Hello everyone, welcome to this short session on MOSFET device characteristics. So we'll first start with N-channel depletion mode MOSFET. So over here the output drain characteristics. So as we can see, for VGS equal to 0, we have a drain current of IDSS, and for any values for VGS negative, we are getting lesser and lesser amount of drain current, and at VGS equal to minus VP, that is equal to pinch off voltage, we have the current equal to 0. So beyond, below this VGS equal to 0, we have the depletion mode, and we can also give in a depletion type MOSFET positive values of VGS. So let's say if you give it 1 volt, you have an enhanced level of ID, that is the drain current, even greater than when VGS equal to 0. So this mode of operation is called as enhancement. So the depletion mode MOSFET feature is it can operate both in the depletion as well as the enhancement mode. Now, from the output characteristics, we have the derived transfer curve. So this is the transfer curve. For the negative values of VGS, we are in the depletion mode. For positive values of VGS, we are in the enhancement mode. Now, there is a slight difference between JFET and MOSFET. In JFET, we have a maximum current of IDSS. We don't have any enhancement mode. Whereas in an N-channel depletion mode MOSFET, the VGS can take positive values also. So again, the equation of this transfer curve is given by the Schottky's equation, which is ID equal to IDSS 1 minus VGS upon VP the whole square. So this is the output drain characteristics and the transfer curve for N-channel depletion mode MOSFET. Now let us look into P-channel depletion mode MOSFET, exactly reverse. As you can see here, the x-axis is VSD, and for VGS equal to 0, and for positive values, we are in the depletion mode. And for any value of VGS which is less than 0, we are in the enhancement mode in the output characteristics. And when VGS is equal to the pinch off voltage, the current will be equal to 0. Now, similarly, the derived transfer curve from the output characteristics is shown over here. So the positive values of VGS will give us the enhancement mode. Actually, it's the reverse, I guess. Over here, the positive values of VGS gives us the depletion mode, and the negative values gives us the enhancement mode. So I guess this is reverse. Let me change this. So the enhancement mode will come over here. Okay. The enhancement mode will come on the left hand side, and the depletion mode will come on the right hand side for positive values. Okay. So for positive values of VGS, we have current relation which is given by ID equal to IDSS 1 minus VGS upon VP the whole square. It's the same thing. And for the negative values of VGS, we are in the enhancement mode. So this is the transfer and the output characteristics for P channel depletion mode MOSFET. Now we have N channel enhancement mode MOSFET over here. As we can see, the VGS values are all positive. So we are in the enhancement mode. So as we apply more and more VGS value, the current is getting enhanced. Okay, that's why the name enhancement mode. And for VGS value lesser than the threshold voltage, the current is 0. And this has been transferred back to the transfer curve. So over here, we can see that whenever VGS is less than VTN, the current is 0. And whenever VGS is greater than VTN, it increases. And the relation between ID and the VGS is given as follows. ID will be Kn times VGS minus VTN the whole square. Fine. So this is for the N-channel enhancement mode MOSFET, the transfer curve, and the output drain characteristics. Similarly, for the P-channel enhancement mode MOSFET, we have the x-axis over here in the output characteristics as VSD, and for the voltages VGS greater than VTP, it should be less than, I guess. Yeah, for VGS voltage is greater than VTP. Yeah, it is greater than VTP because VTP will be negative. So VGS voltage greater than VTP, the device is off. Okay, and whenever we apply a VGS negative values over here, the current is getting enhanced and it is in the enhancement mode. Fine. And this is the transfer curve which is derived from the output drain characteristics. As you can see, for VGS values greater than minus VTP, the device is off. Okay. So this equation is this curve is also given by the same equation. ID is equal to, here actually it should come as Kp, not Kn actually. Okay, because here it is different. The constant over your device gain is different. So it should be Kp. So ID will be equal to Kp times VGS minus VTP the whole square. So this is the transfer curve and the output drain characteristics for a P channel enhancement mode MOSFET. And now we'll look into a small numerical. So in an enhancement mode N channel MOSFET, VGS value is 2 volt, VDS value is 1 volt, and the threshold voltage is 0.5. We have to identify the region of operation, mode of operation of the MOSFET. So in the solution, we will write VDS value is 1 volt given. What is VGS minus VTN? VGS is 2 volt and VTN is 0.5. So VGS minus VTN is 1.5. So that means that VDS value is less than VGS minus VTN. Okay. Also, there is one more condition that VGS has to be greater than VTN. That is 2 volt is greater than 0.5 volt. So hence we can say that since VDS is less than VGS minus VTN and VGS is greater than VTN, the given MOSFET is working in the linear mode of operation. Okay. So I guess that's it for this short session. We have seen the MOSFET device characteristics and we have solved a simple numerical to identify the region of operation. So that's all for this session. Next time we'll start with the MOSFET biasing. Until then, have a good day and thank you.